everyone, Pink Eyes 13, and today's video is going to be... I was gonna actually make this into like the 5-minute makeup challenge, but then I was like, no, because I kind of have this planned out to be a basic makeup routine, you feel me? It's not gonna like see how much makeup I could apply in 5 minutes, if not like makeup that I believe that could be applied in 5 minutes. If I'm making myself clear, I put out the cat ears. So without further ado, make sure to subscribe down below by hitting the red subscribe button. It's rectangular, and then hit the little post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that we'll get notified every time I upload. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, Mermaynnicorn. I'm going to put a 5-minute timer. Focus, focus. You see 5-minute timer right there. 1, 2, 3. My BB cream. I'm going to be using my fingers. Oh my god, I am using my fingers. This is like good for on the go. Oh my god, foundation. Why is my face so big? Why am I such a big head? Oh my god. I'm sorry if you're hearing background noise, but it's because like my family is here and like I don't think they understand. Like how like oh my god, I'm so sorry if you're hearing background noise, guys. It's like my forehead. Why am I such a big head? You guys are probably like, oh my god, screenshot. She's making the funniest faces right now, isn't she? Oh my god, foundation, 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 foundation. When you feel like you don't have enough foundation, but you're like, let me cake this on there because I have no. How many 3 minutes and 41 seconds already? It's like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's just beauty blend my face real quick. Oh my god. Dude. Girl, we gotta be like. Jesus god, this is how moms feel doing their makeup real quick before they gotta go to that school meeting. Oh my god, that mom life. Oh my god, 3 minutes closed. I think I'm able to make it. I think I'm just like about to like spread this out. Like, you guys are probably like, oh my god, foundation is horrible. Wait, gotta bring that down to the neck. Gotta bring it down, gotta bring it down. We ain't trying to be like 2 colors. We ain't trying to be 2 colors. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. This is actually fun. No crap, even if you're not a YouTuber, like just test your makeup skills and like see if you could look pretty, like even if it's just a basic look, like every day. This is like a 2-in-1. The challenge. We have the 2 minutes close. I don't care. Brow gel, brow gel, brow gel. Brow gel, cause you gotta make them brows look pretty brushed out, decent, you know? We ain't trying to have like dusty brows. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. This phone ain't working. Like, I don't know how there's some people that know how to use their phone to do makeup. It's like, girl, how? Powder, 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 powder. Let's just skip on powder. Wait, no, we need powder because this is like one of those like really everyday like fast things. Like, whew. Like forehead, that's where we get oily. Chin, nose, right here. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for the background noise. Oh my god, there's so much background noise. Guys, 1 more minute. I think I'm able to do it. I think I am. God, please. Blush, blush. to bring some color back. 1 more minute. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. What's next? What's next? Mascara? Mascara? No, no. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow on the crease. Eyeshadow on the crease. Eyeshadow on the crease. I'm using this. Just some on the crease to give it some definition. Because we need some definition on the eye, you know? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 23 seconds, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 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 Ah! Oh, guys. Time is up. I turned around to see if I had time left, and I had no more time left. And I just look crazy right now. I thought it was gonna work, guys. It didn't work, and I just look crazy right now. Look at how crazy I look. We're trying to rush myself in 5 minutes. As I was putting on my lip gloss, I was like, let me check, and it was on 0, and I forgot to put on the sound on my computer. The only things I needed to put on left was highlighter,
and I was done, girl.
like, wait, I bet you I could put on my lip gloss and like fix my my this thingy in like less than a minute. So you want to test myself out, and this time I'll put the sound. I'm gonna try to see if I can like fix anything up. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Let's fix this mascara, because we are looking scary. What is up with this Q-tip? Why is this Q-tip acting cheap? Oh, we gotta fix this mess. This little gloss. And we gotta be a glowing goddess. I don't like this color. This color looks too extra on me, so I'm about to like take it off completely. Yeah, I don't like this color at all. It makes me look horrible in video. Let me tone it down, guys. Chill, chill, chill. I know what I'm doing. I did it at least. At least I was able to put in a minute. I highlighted up my face, as you guys saw. I was able to put on lip gloss, and I was able to put on mascara. But even though I don't like this lip color, but it's okay. We were able to do it in 6 minutes. I understand, cheated, it was 5, but 1 minute doesn't hurt, you know? So it's like, let's tone it down with some chapstick, because I'm really not feeling this color. I was so like adrenalated, guys, and I feel like this is something I would probably do like every day. Like basically, I guess we could say that you could achieve to put on makeup in 6 minutes like me. So bye MERMAYNICORN, have a god bless day. The glare in my glasses is so annoying.